This is Aman from goldenshare789@gmail.com. Today I will be telling you the topics which I will be covering in my training session. The first topic will be market prediction for intraday. There are two ways in which the market can move, either upwards or downwards. We need to predict the trend, then only trade. This is the first topic which I will be covering in my training session. And the second topic is the selection of stock for intraday. The third topic is technical analysis after selecting the stock for intraday. The fourth topic is selection of stock for short term. Short term is less than a year, 1 year. Next topic is selection of stock for long term. More than 1 year is considered as a long term investment. The next topic is what is IPO? What are the parameters we need to check before we apply for an IPO? The next topic is what is FPO? The next topic is what is mutual fund? These are the following topics in which I will be training you, and you can contact me on my personal number, which is 7718067031. I repeat, 7718067031. Or you can also contact me on my mail ID, which is www.goldenshare789@gmail.com. I repeat, goldenshare, GOLDENSHARE 789@gmail.com. The course will be comprised of 15 days of training along with practicals. If any doubts or queries related to the training session can be asked anytime in the future or even after the class. The training will be taken through phone and the notes will be provided after each session so that you can read the following topics and understand it better and follow the market respectively. Now I will be showing you one demo of my class. The first demo of my class was predicting the market trend. The first parameter to predict the market trend for intraday is after 9:30. After the market opens at 9:15 to 9:30, we wait for the market to stabilize. After 9:30, we go to NSE India. And check the advances and declines. If we see more than 60% of the stocks are advanced, then there is a probability that the market will move up. Or else, if we see more than 30% of the stocks are in decline, then there is a probability that the market will move down. This is the first parameter in which we see the market prediction. The second parameter is we have to go to live market, select index over here. Here you can see different type of indexes, sectorial indices. There are different sectors in the stock market, so we have to check how many index are in advanced and how many indices are in declined. If we see that more than 60% of the indices are in advanced mode, then we can say that the probability of the market to move up is more than the probability of the market to move down. Or if we see if there are 60% of the indices are in negative mode, then we say that the probability of the market to move down is more than the probability of the market to move up. This is the second parameter in market prediction for intraday. And the third parameter which we check for predicting the global market, for predicting the market trend, is the global markets. For global markets, you need to go to bloomberg.com. Here you need to check the closing of America and Europe markets and the opening of Asian markets. Most of them will be positive in this scenario. Then the second and the third parameters will become important. The checking of indices and the advances and declines out of 50 in Nifty. Over here you need to check the Asia market, Europe market and America's market. By selecting Europe, I will be able to see where the market of Europe closed. Over here all of them are in negative. Same you can check for America. This you have to check at 9:30 sharp. You can check this. After this parameter you can go to NSE India and check the following two parameters which I have mentioned earlier. These are the following parameters which I use for predicting the market trend. I will train you properly and the notes will be provided to you. You can go through the practicals. My training is for 15 days as I have mentioned earlier. In the topics which I will be covering also I have mentioned. You can contact me on my number or my email ID which I have also mentioned in the video. The cost of the training is 6,000 only. 6,000 only. It is cheap because I am going to train for the first time, but I have complete knowledge, good knowledge of the market, and I have been trading and predicting the market most above 70% accuracy, which I feel is very good in this volatile market. So I hope all of you will be able to take my training and become a confident trader and investor, as I feel investing is much more powerful than trading, since there is a power of compounding applied, which as mentioned by Albert Einstein as the eighth wonder of the world. Thank you.